Welcome to ZF Wind Power Coimbatore, a leading manufacturing and innovation hub in India, delivering advanced gearbox solutions to the global wind energy sector. Our mission is to enable our customers to decarbonize our planet. What drives our success? Our esteemed leadership, our highly skilled and motivated employees.
We have geared 50 gigawatt of green energy globally. I'm glad that today 40% of wind turbines in India are running on ZF gearboxes.
Our manufacturing competitiveness is enabled to achieve our growth year on year.
We developed a robust manufacturing process and assembly process of windmill gearboxes ranging from 1.5 megawatt to 6 megawatt.
We supply gearboxes to Indian and overseas customers. Our gearboxes go into onshore and offshore turbines.
ZF Wind Power Coimbatore is the service hub for Asia Pacific region. Besides world-class quality, we offer best-in-class service turnaround times.
The other line of business is axles and transmissions for off-highway construction vehicles for both domestic and export markets.
The construction equipment business is doing extremely well. To capitalize this, ZF is investing in a new facility. A new state-of-art transmission line is being built in addition to the existing axle line. This can cater both to the global and domestic requirements.
Our quality management system has seen a significant boost. Real-time data-driven insights and strategies have streamlined our decision-making process.
We have a team of highly skilled engineers who work on new technologies and new products to develop gearboxes for a sustainable future.
Our R&D department feels like a playground for engineers like me, where we innovate, design, develop, and visualize our next generation of torque denser gearboxes with advanced simulations and calculations. Our production department makes these innovations into a reality with the cutting-edge technology. With real-time data analytics, we optimize the performance of the turbines. At ZF Wind Power Coimbatore, innovation is the wind behind our wings.
ZF Wind Power Coimbatore works at the highest operational efficiency thanks to the motivated and skilled employees, the state-of-the-art infrastructure, and digitalization 4.0 systems and AI tools.
Our advanced supply chain strategies have helped us achieve outstanding delivery performance and ensure seamless flow of material for production.
At ZF Wind Power Coimbatore, we actively seek a diverse set of skilled professionals. We strive to attract, develop, and retain the best talent in the industry. And once we have the employees on board, we would like to ensure that they have the greatest of the experiences.
At ZF, I've enjoyed the freedom to innovate and share my ideas. The supportive culture and numerous integration events have fostered teamwork and collaboration, making me feel truly valued. These interactions have not only enhanced my work, they have also helped me build strong relationships across different departments.
ZF supportive policies like parental leave and wellness program enhance the work-life balance. The CRISP facility in particular has been an important one that allows me to work while ensuring my son is well taken care of.
ZF's extensive training programs and mentorships have been pivotal for my career growth. The LinkedIn learning platform and annual performance reviews helps me to set goals and creative development plans. The continuous education assistance motivated me to pursue an MBA at IIMB Bangalore, significantly advancing my career.
Embrace the challenges, stay enthusiastic, and never limit yourself to the one perspective. Always ask questions and seek out the new opportunities.
If you're looking to advance your career in a dynamic and innovative environment, we invite you to join us. Visit our career page today and become our next future starter.